Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 10 update not installing error. First method is click Start, Settings, click Update and Security, click Troubleshoot. Click Additional Troubleshooters. Click Windows Update, click Run the Troubleshooter. Second method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type net space, stop space, WUAU serve. Type net space, stop space, crypt svc. Type net space, stop space, bits. Type net space, stop space, MSI server. Type ren space, /Windows /software distribution space software distribution.old. Type ren space, /Windows /system32 /catro2 space, catro2.old. Type net space, start space, WUAU serve. Type net space, start space, crypt svc. Type net space, start space, bits. Type net space, start space, MSI server. Type WUAUCLT.exe space, /detect now. Third method is open any browser, type Windows 10 download in browser search bar, click Windows 10 download. Click Download tool now. Check Install Windows 10 and also select Keep Personal Files and Apps, click Install. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.